Daniel Jones likes his local pub. His appetite for pleasure and his relish of good company has always equalled his appetite for work and for music. He conducts his life fortissimo and very much in his own fashion. He knows quite clearly where he is happiest.
I cannot live anywhere else but in Wales. No doubt by settling in London and trying to work there, I might have made more money, but I would not have been myself. A composer belongs to the place where he lives. I stayed for a while in Cornwall, and I said to my wife, I must go back to Wales, and I want to live somewhere near a bay called Langland Bay. And that's what I've done.